So here's an amazing dash cam deal which you probably didn't know about. And I'm talking about the FitSpark DC 101 Solo. But what's so special about this camera is that this is probably the only camera within that budget range which gets a 2.7-inch IPS HD display at the back. Now there are no other dash cams within this price range that offer you this feature. This gets a 4 megapixel sensor based 1440p quad HD resolution, gets about 130-degree field of view, and gets the latest Novatec AI chipset which is best suited for dash cameras. And if you thought that's just about it, what's so special? Well, the good thing is FitSpark is now offering a free hardware kit worth 3,500 rupees along with this dash camera. Yes, you can get 24-hour parking monitoring for free. All you need to do is just email the invoice after you purchase this camera to the service support email ID of FitSpark, and within a matter of about a week or 10 days, you'll get the hardware kit delivered at your doorstep. So that's a saving of 3,500 rupees. All you need to do is just purchase this particular dash cam from the link given in the description below. That being said, here is a quick look of the FitSpark DC 101 Solo Dashcam, the front-only channel variant, which is available at 4,999. But if you're someone who prefers to get a dual channel variant and also wants to keep the price less, you've got the best dual channel version of this as well, which is called as the FitSpark DC 101 Duo, which comes at 5,999. That's about 6,000 rupees with all the same features that this particular camera offers, just with an extra added rear camera. Let's take a look. So here's the FitSpark Dashcam DC 101 Solo. So this gets real 2K, that's 1440p resolution. This gets a 4 megapixel camera along with Wi-Fi. The coolest thing about this camera is that this gets a 2.7-inch high definition IPS display with true colors. This is first in segment and never has been seen before. It gets 24-hour parking monitoring if you do get the hardware kit, which is available separately. It gets built-in Wi-Fi, gets app control, gets about 130-degree wide-angle lens, and more importantly, this gets the Novatec AI chipset. Let's quickly give you a glimpse of what you get inside the box. So as soon as you do open it up, you get a user manual. So very important that you take a look at this to understand all the technical specifications of this dash camera. So then you get the launch offer card. Basically, it says you get the free hardware kit, that is the HW3 hardware kit, which is worth about 3,500 rupees. Now you can get this for free. You can just email the invoice of your purchase to the service support email ID that is provided right here. That is support@myfitspark.com. Just email the invoice and you can get this hardware kit for free. So here's a quick look or a quick peek inside the box. Very well arranged box, very neat looking packing. So you've got the main camera right here, and I'm quite happy to say that this is one of the coolest designed dash cams within this price segment, and the trademark being the 2.7-inch IPS display at the back. You get control buttons at the bottom with some ventilation holes. On one side you get a micro SD card slot and a reset port. On the other side there's nothing else. You have the lens module at front with the FitSpark branding. You get a dedicated box inside the main box which has all the required accessories for this camera, such as the power cable and stuff like that. So you'll be getting to see all of this in the detailed review video. So I definitely think this is one of the finest deals for a budget dash cam which you can buy right now, because there is no other camera which offers a 2.7-inch IPS display at the back along with providing you free hardware kit, everything coming under the price of about 5,000, more specifically 4,999. So if you're someone who is looking for a budget dashcam option, either a front-only variant or a dual channel variant, go ahead, grab this FitSpark DC 101 Solo for 4,999. And just in case if you're interested in getting a dual channel one, get the dual version for 5,999. The links to both these cameras are given in the description below. If you just want to check out some more details as well before you actually buy it, go ahead, click down on the description, click on the link, check out all the details, and if you're happy with what you see, go ahead and buy it right away. So the full review of the FitSpark DC 101 Solo will be dropping soon on my channel. Within it, I'll be showing you all the details such as the video quality, the number plate readability, the on-screen settings, and all the related stuff. So in case you don't want to miss that important video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some budget deals for some amazing dash cameras. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.